How to enable approval to join Instagram group chat. In order to do that, you may follow up this method. So open up your Instagram first, and then tap on the DM at the top right. And then from here, you may head over the group in which you are the admin at. So if you're not the admin, you cannot follow the settings. So if you're the admin of that group, you may follow up the settings and head over the group. After that, tap on the group's name at the top. And from here, you may select the option called People, which is right under Invitation link. Tap on it. And after tapping on it, we have this option of Require Approval to Join. So all you gotta do is simply tap on this option and turn that toggle option on. And once you do that, you will be able to enable approval to join Instagram group chat. This ensures that all new members, including those invited, must be approved by an admin before joining, which is you. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.